Good morning, viewers. It's Rob Atfield reporting for Port Carling Boats. It's Saturday, April 28th, 2018, and we're here on the first stop of the Antique and Classic Boat Society Toronto chapter spring tour of Muskoka and Southern Ontario, in which we visit shops, numerous shops in Muskoka, to see what's going on in the world of wooden boat restoration. Those of you that have seen our videos before will certainly recognize this scene at Mike Windsor's shop. We'll shortly head indoors and see what projects Mike is working on. This seems to be the spring of the Disbro in Mike's shop, viewers. Mike's got two beautiful, beautiful disappearing propeller boats here. Obviously have been in for some pretty significant work. This engine is so clean looking, it looks like it's had a complete restoration. I wonder if this is a Waterford. I suspect it probably is. Dual cylinder. With, of course, the iconic disappearing propeller mechanism. Beautifully upholstered. And of course a very simple rope operated steering mechanism. A cylinder engine. Wonderful boats for a relaxing cruise on a lake or river. We're looking at old Jake here, viewers. She's a Corvette. I presume she's a streamliner. Mike has just gotten into her shop several days ago. He said he took a day and a half just to get the seats out and the linoleum off the floor and get a good look at her. Some of her ribs are looking pretty tired. My guess is she's going to need some significant bottom work. These boats are very valued by collectors. Shearliners and streamliners are certainly worth restoring. Not sure of the length of this one. She looks like at least 22 feet. And you can see these blackened ribs here that are probably going to need some work for replacement. It's a substantial project for sure. Beautiful old dash. That's one part of the boat that's still in pristine condition. Even still. Second stop on our tour this morning, viewers, is a familiar shop, Brackley Boats, here in Gravenhurst, Ontario. Paul's got two massive boats under restoration here. You'll be shocked when you see the size of these monsters. This fabulous 1929 Chris Craft hardtop sedan, viewers, has been in Paul and Jeremy's shop for quite a while now. They've done quite a bit of extensive deck work. The side planking is all original. The hull had a new bottom put on it by another restorer earlier, and they hope to have this boat in the water by midsummer, I believe. It's going down to a boat show in the United States. Quite a wonderful old boat. This raised cowling in the mother-in-law seat here must be quite a job to produce. She's close to looking wonderful. The other boat in the shop, Brackley shop, viewers, is a massive 34-foot Corvette Streamliner. It's about the biggest streamliner I've ever seen. It's had a new bottom put on it. It's a 1947 boat, and its owner is going to take it on tour in the United States, I believe. This is a very passenger-friendly monster. By the look of things, she's going to be ready to go this summer as well. course, it's these curvaceous lines on the streamliner that make it so unusual and so desirable by many collectors. Putting a new bottom on this boat would have been a major, major project. The third stop on our tour this morning, viewers, this April 2018 day, is at Tim Butson's Wooden Boat Builder in Bracebridge, Ontario, where Tim offers traditional wooden boat design, custom building, restorations, repairs, and refinishing, whatever it takes to float your boat. Let's see what's on tap here at Tim's. It looks like the two Gravette Executives, 21-footers, I believe, viewers, are close to refinishing here. We've got Brown Bear on the left and Marlene Jane on the right here. These are very glamorous executive type boats. They're very aptly named. And for those of you that have seen one of our previous videos, we had a fuller description of both of these boats, if I remember correctly. Very beamy. It's a heavy boat, I'm sure. Handle big water well. This 24-foot 1971 Grue Day Cruiser, viewers, that we focused on some time ago, our last visit, coming along really well. The engine has been installed, 6.2, 300 horse, I presume. It's certainly going to push this boat along well. If I remember correctly, Tim has strengthened all the ribs on this boat by making them larger and thicker and wider. See how all the screw holes have been filled with plugs. And just to refresh your memory, if you weren't here last time we visited, here's photos of the Grue before restoration and during restoration. Certainly need a lot of work. Coming along very well.